Happy anniversary to me!
Tired of the wasting. She just want my love. Say she tired of the waiting. Over and out. Girl, you need a soldier to show you the route. Pull you in close, areola to mount. My love, no corona, Ebola could out. Whenever you're alone and you're unoccupied and you're feeling hot inside, hit me up on my line. One time.
Good morning, my love. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Ooh. Guys, my beautiful baby is making pancakes. Where's your pancake mix? So ShéKayla went and bought this. This is from LA Bites. Promotion. This can be found on our family website. So you guys, I can leave the link I'll see if I can get the link and leave it. But I've never tried these funfetti complete buttermilk pancake and waffle mix or whatever with candy bits. ShéKayla, is this overly sweet though? No. Sheesh. So it's early in the morning, guys. What's today, ShéKayla?
Wednesday. No, it's Wednesday.
ShéKayla, but you've been busy. Oh, this is the burnt one. That's her mix.
Then I think there's like 2 more.
Girl, you've been busy, girl. You've been busy. Nice. Morning, guys. Morning. Guys, I'm just about to get ready for work. Yeah, so ShéKayla decided that she was gonna wake up early and make those pancakes. I've never tried them before, so looking forward to it. So I'm gonna hurry go get ready for work. Yeah, and today when I come home, I have to do major cleaning. My credit report is ready. Okay, I hope my credit gone up. Yeah, I have to do major cleaning. I have to do my bedroom. I have to do the bathroom because I haven't changed the bathroom, so I have to go and change up everything in there and finish the living room. Hello, guys. I know I haven't come on too. I didn't come back after the pancakes, and I meant to, but I was rushing out to work. So guys, I am still cleaning. I'm still trying to sort out this house. I've been very busy, so not finished. I've literally just vacuumed the living room again because it's days later since y'all saw that clip, you know, when Melissa was helping me sort out the house and stuff like that. So now I'm just kind of doing the bathroom, and I wanted to show y'all what I've done, a little DIY. So let me show y'all. Oh yeah, I just put up this. It's so pretty, but I don't think y'all can see the true beauty of it. But it's like very shiny. Anyhow, let me show y'all. So obviously I put these 2 flowers in the bathroom there by the window. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys this. So I actually got this from B&M, and I think I got it for, I think it was $3.99. So it came with this, and this is the stand for it. And I got these flowers. I don't know if did I insert the clips? I actually think I'll insert the clips when I went to Poundland, because I went back to Poundland again to see if I can get some more flowers. And if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all would have seen when I did the living room. So remember the balls that I showed you guys, and they were this tiny, and I put them to swell and stuff. So this is what I decided to do. So I went back to Poundland and I got another one of these, and I decided to just pretty it up with some flowers. And this came on one stem, and I cut it, and I thought of this nice idea. So don't y'all think this is a good idea? So I'll fill this up with balls, and I kind of just stuck this little thing in here. This is an air freshener thing that I stuck in there along with this and that. And yeah, put this little flower right here in the middle, and that's my little DIY. Y'all could comment down below and tell me if I feel like over there should have something I don't know, because I had those two flowers at both corners and then this was in the middle, but then I thought this is so pretty as well. But y'all could comment down below and tell me what y'all think, if this is okay like that. I don't know. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go and finish clean up and I'll check back in with y'all later. I need to go and do the kitchen. And guys, tomorrow is my anniversary. Tomorrow is my anniversary. I'm so excited for my anniversary though. Like, y'all don't understand. But yeah, see y'all in the next clip. I've never really been into like decorating and all that stuff, but I'm so excited. And I'm gonna keep adding nice things to the house and everything, because I realize just how much I enjoy it. And even how I put the flowers together in the on my dining table. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all would have seen when I posted that. But of course, all of that would be included in the final tour. But yeah, morning guys, happy anniversary to me. Guys, I love coming to gas stations that allows me to pay at the pump. You have no idea. So I'm on lunch. Y'all remember when I said to y'all that today is my anniversary? Guys, today is Christmas Eve, and I'm excited because it marks my anniversary of the first time I ever vlogged. My first vlog was on Christmas Eve, where I was baking a rum cake with Melissa. Even though I don't celebrate Christmas itself, I always look forward to this time of year, especially because this is when they have all the black cakes, you know, the rum cakes and stuff, because I love it. And last year was the first year that I actually attempted to bake it myself along with Melissa. So yeah, y'all can go back and have a look at my very first vlog. It wasn't my first upload, it was my second upload. My first upload was a video of me pranking my mom. I was pretending to be Sean. But yeah, my first official vlog was, yeah, Christmas Eve. So happy anniversary to me. Hopefully y'all can celebrate with me. I'll cut a slice of cake and have a little glass of wine, and you know, we can have a toast to my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. Yeah, I just want to say to you guys, thank you for always tuning in. I really appreciate the support. And if y'all go back and look at my very first vlog, y'all will see the growth. I remember starting, I had 0 subscribers and I uploaded my first video and I shared the link to Facebook. So some of the first people to support me were you know, friends from Anguilla and stuff like that. I remember when I had 10 subscribers, and 1 year later I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. So let's hope that 2021 can even be greater and I can get to at least 5,000 subscribers, and who knows, even maybe more. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for the continuous support, you know, always clicking on these videos, whatever type of videos they are, whether I'm cooking, whether I'm just doing my regular vlogs, or sit down in my car chatting to y'all. I just want to say a huge thank you. Now I'm going back to work because I just got some gas, so I'm going back to work now. So I have to go and call Sean before my lunch break is up. So I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna go and call Shawnee before I go back inside. Catch y'all later. Oh, I'm gonna share a clip of me baking, because y'all know I'm gonna go and I'm gonna bake again, just because that was my first vlog and just because I'm looking forward to this rum cake. So yeah, catch y'all a bit later in the kitchen. Guys, it's actually only 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock and it's freezing. It feel like it's minus something. It's still Christmas Eve, by the way. I just talked to y'all in my car earlier today when I went to get the petrol, you know, all about my anniversary. So it's still my anniversary. So what I'm gonna do, on my way home, I actually stopped by the corner store to get my red label wine, because you know, making the black cake with red label wine is real nice. Last year I think we used some kind of Jamaican rum last year, but this time we decided we're gonna use a Jamaican red label wine. So that's what I got, and right now I'm headed to the meat shop. Yep, because I need meat. I don't have any meat in the house. And by the way, I'm working tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm working tomorrow on Christmas Day. but I think by the time y'all see this video, it would have been Christmas already. For those of you that celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a wonderful time with your friends. Well, not friends if y'all in the UK. If y'all adhering to the rules, you shouldn't be seeing your friends. But I hope y'all had a wonderful time with your family, are still having a wonderful time whenever this vlog uploads. But yeah, wish you guys all the best for the new year coming. Hopefully we will all have a better 2021. Hopefully we'll get rid of this COVID and get back to some sort of normalcy. So yeah, don't know how long this vlog is gonna go on for, but yes, tomorrow is Christmas. I'm working tomorrow all day, and then I have a 14-hour shift on Boxing Day, and then I'll be off Sunday and Monday, and then yeah, and then hopefully I can record the video of the house, because y'all, I need daylight because I've been working. So that my house decor is completed, but I literally need to film it in the day, and because I leave so early in the morning for work, and by the time I come home after 5 it's dark, and I want y'all to see what it looks like in the daytime, because I think it's prettier in the day when the sun is shining in, you know, natural lighting. So yeah, so hopefully maybe on Sunday I can do that and upload the vlog on Sunday. So I think y'all might see that before this, or however it goes. Anyway, see y'all in the next clip. Guys, I'm here at the meat shop. Octopus looks so gross. It's not my thing. Yuck. What is even this? What is that? Guys, what is this? I have no idea. Oh my gosh. Is that a squid? That must be squid. Look at the size of this. This looks like mackerel. Is this a mackerel? This looks like mackerel. I'm just waiting because, as you can see, there's 3 people in there and it's a small meat shop. So I'm just waiting to go in there. So I'm gonna get some oxtail, and I'm gonna get some goat meat if they have, I'm not sure, and some chicken, and saltfish if they have saltfish. Let me see what they have. Hold on, someone leaves so I can come in now. Hi. Oh, they do have saltfish. This is what we used to get back home, this one. That's turkey. I hate turkey. Yuck. Even when I used to go out to dinner with other people, by other people's house, I hated the turkey. I would always have the ham during Christmas and stuff. $6.50 for that. £6.50 for this packet of crayfish. It's a bit much. What have they got? Look at the oxtail. The oxtail pretty, isn't it? It's very pretty. So now we can put the eggs in. You got brownie? You buy brownie? Now you can see the egg. So guys, I just added an egg, not an egg, some eggs. So guys, I've just added some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some baking powder. This is 3 cups of flour, and I'm just mixing this in. I put my vanilla essence. I hope this essence is good, because, and I tried a whole bottle of this because I actually have this one, but I don't think it's as strong. So guys, in here is just the butter, sugar, eggs, essence. That's all I have in here, and I need to keep mixing this for another minute. So guys, ooh, smell the alcohol. So guys, in here are the mixed fruits. They've been soaking in some red label wine, and this is how much red label wine is in this bowl here. And I went ahead and I bought another one, so yeah, just in case. And we're gonna put that over the cake. So yeah guys, so this is gonna be blended. I can't wait to share a slice of this beautiful cake with you guys. Honestly, I wish that I could actually really and truly share it with you, but we live in a virtual world now, so y'all could just taste it through here. I'll taste it for y'all and y'all could just swallow. Yeah. Because it's a virtual world we're living in, so yeah, I could share it like that with y'all, you know. Yes, I'm gonna get to mixing and I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the process of it all. And yeah, so guys, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below, make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share this video. If you don't share the video, nobody gonna know about Life with SK. So go ahead and click that share button, share it to your Facebook, share it to your Instagram, share it to your WhatsApp, paste the link, copy and paste the link, do whatever it is that you need to do, and go and tell a friend to tell another friend and to tell all their friends about Life with SK. Yeah? All right, see y'all in the next clip. People, how we look? How we looking? Hey. This is a lot of work. Suppose I didn't have that. What the thing called again? Y'all can buy me a kitchenware thing. What call it?
The cake mixer. Y'all
can buy me a cake mixer.
The handy dandy one.
Buy me a great handy dandy cake mixer.
Yeah, man. This one here.
See, gotta work it. I saw Tammy Chin and Wayne Marshall the other day baking a rum cake just like this, and then walking it. What you supposed to have? See Tammy put her hip in it.
Put your hip in it.
Yeah. No, this is. Could you imagine a world without blenders and stuff like that and cake mixers?
Yeah, but that little one there though ain't really thankful for you, but you do your job too good.
This enough, no? You think it look lumpy? That the fruits.
That's the fruits, ain't it?
Oh, okay. So we good then?
Yeah, them say you have to stick the thingy in it. Oh,
that?
Nice, yeah.
So if it not drop it good?
Yeah.
Is that true? Comment down below.
But mix it up a little bit more, like, yeah, get the edges. Yeah, don't make it too watery, but just get the edge. Yeah, just get them in so everything.
Yeah, say yes. Yeah, you.
Yes, girl.
I feel like you need more rum.
I feel so too. I think you should go buy another rum. I don't think the red label wine is strong enough.
No, we could just throw some red label in it.
But it's not strong enough, is it? No, red label wine is not strong like...
That red label wine is strong.
Like Rain Nephew.
But we're making wine cake, we're not making rum cake. Where's your...
Oh, where you come from, my girl? But we'll make wine cake.
Should we add more? No, but we gonna be enough when we put it on top, man.
No. I want to taste it. It ain't got not a taste. Nice, no? You want some more rum? Some more wine?
So guys, now I'm gonna go and pour this in.
And make sure you pour it from one side to the next. Just leave it rest on one side alone.
What do you mean? I don't pour it in the middle and leave it?
No.
So what do you mean?
See, just leave it so and it gonna keep running. Don't be going like
no,
mellow.
I just pour it in the middle. Guys, there we have it. All done. Why it rise like that in the middle?
Wow.
Why did it do that?
Throw it from the middle and I told you not to.
Guys, why did it rise like that in the middle though? I don't understand. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I mean, there we have it, guys. There we have it. Tell me comment down below and tell me how I did. So you know this is gonna cool, and I'm gonna have to put some red label wine over it. Yes.
Manual labor. Work it good. Work it. Yeah, that's okay. Just keep going. Work it. Work it. Stop it. You gotta put your waist in it. I can't believe we're going to this manual labor.
Hold on.
Jesus, fair. Look here, she put about 10 more cups of flour.
It's 1 cup.
One. Look here.
This is 1 cup? It's just about.
She don't measure now. Look. She does not measure.
I don't know nothing about
She does not
measuring.
use the measuring cups. And
See,
look,
that's
we
what I'm
have
saying.
them all here.
You see, that's what I'm saying, Jamaica. Just pour until the ancestors say stop.
You know, she just got pretty face for nothing, huh?
Girl can do things.